Hello and welcome to this math course. My name is Andy Vey. I'm a professor of mathematics, astronomy, and physics at Kenai Peninsula College, which is part of the University of Alaska. This is an intro video, so I'll try to keep it as brief as possible. Looking at the tabs at the top, I use content, announcements, gradebook, and very occasionally discussions. I don't use the calendar. All due dates for all assignments are on the syllabus and only on the syllabus. Please avoid using the messages tab. As you may have noticed, I prefer to communicate via your Alaska EDU email. Let's start with announcements. So since I tend to post quite a few, I compile them into one long announcement each month. That way you can view them all in one place. Toward the top are the important items for this course, while toward the bottom are interesting ones that aren't related to the course, such as Mother's and Father's Day. There are two specific announcements I'd like to begin with. Most important information is posted in Start Here, and the syllabus and the course write document, and we'll get there in a moment. Another post I want to highlight is the math textbook. This is an OER, which is short for Open Educational Resources, so its online version is free. Okay, let's head over to content. This is where you'll find the Start Here section. You might notice that the first units are currently missing. They will be released once you complete the course right here, that is found in the Start Here module. Let's open the Start Here. The course right is essentially a syllabus test. It asks you to become familiar with the syllabus and how my class is organized in Blackboard. Once you complete it, email it to me and I'll award you the points and make the first units available so you can begin the course. You should be able to click on any document and open it right here and download it. So I'm going to click on the syllabus. Here on the syllabus, again, is the textbook information and the course due dates. As I said, they're only on the syllabus along with the assignments listed in each unit. So make sure to check this outline regularly. There's more information listed here, but I'll let you read through these here on your own since I want to keep this intro video brief. All right, let's go back here. Again, here's the disclaimer. Course content for the first units is not released until you have completed the course write doc, so make sure to email it to me. Right, so the first unit we can currently see is 3 or 7 probability. This is the third unit of the course, but it corresponds to chapter 7 in the textbook, so that's why you see this strange designation. Right, I'm going to click on this one, open it. There we go. Each unit follows a similar structure: objectives, study materials, and assignments. And this one is just a little afterthought here. Again, I'll let you explore most of these on your own, but as an example, in study materials, you will find a link to my recordings and videos that are hosted on YouTube. This is only the first one here, so you would actually have to go to YouTube to watch them all. These contain instructions for some of the assignments. The relevant textbook chapter is right here for this unit. And as I said, the textbook is free. This whole thing is about probability. This particular chapter, that's why you see playing cards and roulette. Make sure to read carefully through the instructions for each assignment. So I'm going to open one here. There we go. And that's what I meant. So read carefully through these read through these instructions is what I meant to say for this assignment. And there may be something in a video as well. All assignments such as projects, lecture quizzes, and tests allow you to save your progress and return later. So for example, I'm going to open this one here, start the attempt. So as I do something on this one here, I can actually get back to it later. Close it now and get back to it later. Finally, the gradebook. So here we go. I started at the Unit 7 test. You just noticed that. So it says draft saved. The other assignments are unopened. And over here on the left, you might see that. Taste or eat all the fruit and vegetables during the semester, and you'll complete all assignments. You'll notice that the due date column is empty. Again, the only place that I list official due dates is in the syllabus. And with that, once again, welcome to this math class.